The 2 best internet marketing strategies for importers and distributors. It is arguably which are the best internet marketing strategies. With so many to choose from, picking the best one is hard and always debatable. If you are new to this channel, we provide high-quality tips for business owners and managers on how to grow their business by creating a never-ending client growth machine. If you are interested in this kind of content and would like to see more, feel free to like, subscribe, and click on that bell, or at least give a thumbs up to this video and share it. However, when you narrow it down to your industry, things get a little easier. Importers and distributors have very specific industry goals. They need to reach more people nationally and internationally. Become known as the go-to company for their main products. Be visible and look trustworthy to close those all-important deals. When somebody is searching for a product or a distributor for their company, like everybody, they Google it. We all can imagine how this would affect our business if we are in the top results that Google provides when a potential client is ready to buy and Google for a distributor. Here are the best internet marketing strategies that will help you reach these goals. Search engine optimization, also known as its acronym SEO. Search engine optimization is a term that describes a number of strategies you implement on your website and outside it to help search engines understand what you do and serve your web pages to the right audience. This is broken down into on-page and off-page SEO. On-page SEO refers to any optimizations you perform on your website. It might include improving website loading speed, adding keywords to your web address or URLs, optimizing your page titles and headings with keywords, and creating new content about your products and services on a regular basis. Off-page SEO refers to optimizing that happens outside your website, more precisely in other places on the internet. This is the biggest part of SEO work, the hidden part of the iceberg. On-page and off-page SEO coordinate together will help you rank higher in search results and ultimately allow you to reach more potential customers. Search engine marketing, also known as its acronym SEM. Search engine marketing refers to what is known as pay-per-click advertising. This involves placing adverts on search engines to build a paid audience. When you book search engine advertising, your ads appear for search results. When people click on these ads, this tells search engines that your website is relevant for that search, and therefore it also helps your site rank better in the long term. People will also click on your advert. Every time they do this, you will pay the pay-per-click price, which can vary a lot between industries from cents to hundreds of euros. Usually, however, it will be affordable. This will bring your prospects to your website right away, opening up opportunities for you to win them over and turn them into customers. As an importer and distributor, online visibility is important to build your reputation. When closing deals with prospects, this is going to be key in the import industry first. Impressions are important, so make sure your site looks professional and is easy to navigate. Then drive as much traffic as possible with SEO and SEM. If you enjoyed this video, then have a look at the 5 best marketing strategies to grow your website traffic. You can find the link here. If you wish to see more of our weekly videos, please subscribe. You can find the link here. And don't forget to like, share, and comment. Especially comment if you have questions. We look through your comments and answer as many as we can.